In today's digital age, building an engaged audience is essential for businesses and individuals alike. With the vast amount of content available online, it can be challenging to capture and maintain the attention of your target audience. However, there is a powerful tool that can help you achieve this goal: Twitter chats. By participating in or hosting these interactive discussions on Twitter, you can effectively connect with your audience, build relationships, and establish yourself as an industry expert. Identify your target audience. Before diving into the world of Twitter chats, it's crucial to identify your target audience. Who are they? What topics interest them? Understanding their needs and preferences will allow you to tailor your chat topics accordingly and ensure maximum engagement. Research existing chats. Once you have determined your target audience, research existing Twitter chats within your industry or niche. Look for popular chats that attract a significant number of participants who align with your desired demographic. Take note of the format, frequency, and themes discussed in these chats. This will serve as valuable inspiration when planning yours. Choose relevant topics. To captivate your audience during a Twitter chat session, choose relevant topics that resonate with them deeply. Address their pain points or challenges by providing valuable insights or practical solutions through engaging questions and prompts. Promote your chat. Building anticipation before hosting a chat is vital for its success. Utilize social media platforms such as Instagram stories or Facebook events to promote upcoming sessions well in advance. Encourage followers to spread the word by sharing graphics or using specific hashtags related to the topic at hand. Engage actively during chats. During the actual chat session itself, actively engage with participants by responding promptly to their comments and questions while maintaining a friendly tone throughout the conversation. Make use of emoticons where appropriate. They can help convey your emotions and add a personal touch to your responses. Encourage retweets and follows. To extend the reach of your Twitter chat, encourage participants to retweet interesting insights or questions from the discussion. This will attract new followers who are interested in joining future chats and expand your audience organically. Follow up after chats. Don't let the conversation end when the chat does. After each session, follow up with participants by thanking them for their contributions and providing additional resources or links related to the topic discussed. This gesture shows that you value their engagement and helps maintain a connection beyond the chat itself. Why should you invest time and effort into Twitter chats? The answer lies in their ability to build an engaged audience like no other platform can. Here's why. Authentic connection. Twitter chats provide a unique opportunity for genuine interaction with your target audience, allowing you to establish authentic connections based on shared interests or challenges. Expert status. By consistently participating in relevant industry-related chats, sharing valuable insights, and engaging thoughtfully with others, you position yourself as an expert in your field. Someone worth following for valuable content. Increased visibility. Engaging in popular Twitter chats exposes you to a wider audience that may not have been aware of your presence before. By actively contributing meaningful content during these discussions, more people will take notice of what you have to say. Networking opportunities. Participating in Twitter chats allows you to connect with like-minded individuals within your industry or niche. Potential collaborators, mentors, or even clients, customers who share similar goals or interests. Feedback loop. Through direct conversations with participants during Twitter chats, you gain invaluable feedback about what resonates with your target audience most effectively, helping shape future content strategies tailored specifically towards them. Content inspiration. The topics discussed during these interactive sessions often serve as excellent sources of inspiration for future blog posts, articles, or social media content. By staying attuned to the needs and interests of your audience through Twitter chats, you can continuously provide them with valuable insights. Follower growth. Engaging in Twitter chats not only helps you attract new followers but also encourages existing ones to remain engaged and active. By consistently providing valuable content during these discussions, you build trust and loyalty among your audience. In conclusion, Twitter chats are a must-try for anyone looking to build an engaged audience online. By following the aforementioned steps, identifying your target audience, researching existing chats, choosing relevant topics, promoting your chat effectively, engaging actively during sessions, encouraging retweets and follows, and following up afterward, you can leverage this powerful tool to establish yourself as an industry expert while building meaningful relationships with your target demographic. So why wait? Start planning your first Twitter chat today and unlock the potential for growth and engagement like never before.